It's grilling season, and I'm about to show you how to make a really good grilling condiment that's so much more. For our ingredients, we'll be using olive oil, freshly chopped garlic, and yes, I did just chop it, crushed red pepper, black pepper, red wine vinegar, and salt. And on the green side, we'll be using cilantro, oregano, and parsley. Remove the stems from your leafy greens, bunch them all together and chop, 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 and chop some more. You can use a food processor, and I normally do, but the best is made by hand. Add your chopped herbs to a mixing bowl along with garlic, crushed red pepper, black pepper, salt, red wine vinegar, and your olive oil. Remember to like and subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new video, and it really helps out the channel. Mix everything up really well, and you're gonna wanna let that set for about long enough to grill a steak. Chimichurri goes great with meats, vegetables, or anything grilled. It makes a great marinade, or mix it with mayonnaise to make a sandwich spread. Use as a tangy dressing for a vegetable pasta salad. Or my favorite, drizzle over sunny side up avocado toast. I made a little steak to go with that chimichurri, and I'm gonna give it a try now. It looks nice and green. I see those red pepper flakes, little scary. Don't freak out if you put it in the fridge and it turns a little cloudy. That's just the olive oil in there. Maybe I should cut that. Woo! Very good. There's a kick to that. That kick would have been from the vinegar or the garlic. Not very spicy at all. I think I could have probably doubled that red pepper flake for myself. I'm actually going to put more sauce on there. You don't want to talk too close to another person after eating this. It's pretty strong. I can feel it already in my mouth, but it's so good. That really livens up the broccoli. It's easy. Get some parsley, and you probably have everything else in your fridge. Go ahead, make it. Give it a shot. Enjoy! Remember to like and subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new video, and it really helps out the channel.